What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a video about the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Now I discovered this, I don't know if it's a bug or if it's intended to work like that, but I don't think it is intended to work like that because the OG Pixel Fold doesn't do it. I don't know if they missed it, but a lot of content creators are not reporting this, or maybe they're not having the issue. Maybe, right? I don't know. But I kind of discovered this, then I went on Reddit. And I saw one other post that they are actually having the issue. So not only am I having the issue, someone else is having the issue. So I just want to put this out there to see if you guys are having the same issue. Maybe you didn't notice it because it is a little tricky. But without further ado, let me show you what I'm talking about. So we have the Google Pixel Fold right here, right? Bam. So let's go ahead and lock this. Lock it. So when you tap it like this, you get the cover display. You got the cover display, right? So when you go to open it, it opens right away. Bam, no issues there, right? Slide up, boom, or unlock it and you're good to go. Let's go ahead and close it up. But if we go ahead and open this, unlock it and go to open it, you see that delay? That's like at least like a 5-second delay. That's a delay. I ain't tripping, right? I ain't tripping. So this sucker ain't tricking me. This motherfucker thinks he's smarter than me. Gemini, you ain't that smart, bro. But let's go ahead and let me show you again. So let's go ahead and close it. Right? If you open it while it's on the lock display, it's gonna open right away. Bam. You see that? But if I go ahead and unlock it and then open it, delay central, bro. Delay central. So there is a noticeable delay when you open it, when you unlock the Google Pixel Fold. Now let's check the apps. So let's go to YouTube. YouTube is open right here. Bam, it's fine, right? Let's go ahead and close it. So let's go ahead and unlock this. YouTube is open right here. Delay. It's delayed. What's up with that, bro? Look at that. So YouTube is open here. Open it. Dude, that's a noticeable delay. So let's go ahead and show you. I didn't unlock it. Open it. Boom. No delay. Let me show you the OG Pixel Fold right here. So go ahead and lock it. Come on, dude. Okay. Open it. No delay, right? Boom. Easy money. Unlock it. Open it. No delay. Easy money. YouTube app. All right, let's go ahead and close it. Unlock it. YouTube app. Unlock it. Open. Boom. Noticeable. There's no delay right here. There's a noticeable delay on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So, bam. Open it. Let's see. Try that again. Unlock it. Open. That was a delay there. Am I tripping? Nah. Let's see. It's right there. 1, 2, 3. Nah. It's way noticeable on the Pixel 9 Pro. So let me know what you guys think. Are you guys having the same issue? Am I tripping or am I making this up? And I don't think I'm making this up. I'm not that crazy. But I know I'm having an issue. I don't know if it's a bug. I don't know if it's intended to work like that, but I do not think it's intended to work like that because the OG Pixel Fold, it's not doing that. Let me know down in the comment section below if you're having that issue or if I'm tripping. I just want to blow this up. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video so we can get this issue out there. I'm gonna report it to Google to see if there's a fix later on in a future update. But with that being said, thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.